So, gonna take a look at Expanse. Unfortunately, the weekly picture is pushing into oversold right now. So if there is going to be a move to the downside, the momentum is now there for it to happen. See, this would be the longer term support. It is below that now. See the upper part of the triangle. So this is your sort of long-term resistance. This is sort of the long-term support. So if the price tries to push up, it's going to meet these lines as resistance first. See, last time that it was well overbought, it went well oversold. The neutral turns to red as it gets into oversold. Here it's overbought. It's pushing into oversold now. And we can see we have our gray neutral candles, and the ability for them to push down and be red is much more realistic now. Looking at the daily, you can see how it has slid underneath the larger triangle. It's below the moving average, and the stock is still falling and is under 50. So because the weekly is oversold and the daily momentum is down, there's best to advise a lot of caution in this position if you have a position, because the move is going so sideways right now. So because of the sideways nature of the move, if you're looking at Bollinger Bands, you're going to have a squeeze of the bands, meaning that you're going to have a more volatile move coming out of this sideways. And because we see these new resistances here, the oversold weekly and the daily that's moving towards oversold, it seems like the resistance above it wants to push it down. So if you're in this trade, I would think that everyone's got to have a pretty tight stop right around here, because this has been an accumulation or distribution channel, however you want to look at it. So above 79-80K is sort of where your resistance starts, but where your breakout horizontally in terms of prices. And then a larger breakout level here in the mid 90,000s. Somewhere around 64 is going to be where, and that's also coming off like this bottom here. See some sideways here, some sideways here. Bottom of these candles. So this is a pretty, that's a really key level. What do we got? Low to mid 60s is probably where the stop loss is going to be triggered for most people, and then you'd see a faster move down after that. So that's your bull and bear viewpoints, definitely with a bearish bias until the daily turns up again. Thank you.